Hello, this is your Manoj Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Aeronautical Engineering, Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology, Coimbatore. In this session, we are going to discuss about a topic in advanced propulsion. The topic is Ramjet Engine. This is a typical Ramjet engine. Here in the French section, we have an inlet or diffuser. Okay, we know that ramjet engine doesn't contain any moving parts. Okay, here the compression work will be done by the spike. Okay, and the diffuser. Okay, and next one is the combustion chamber. Okay, here we have a flame holder and fuel injection. Okay, the last part is the nozzle. Okay, due to its speed, okay, it's operating at a high supersonic condition. Okay, we are having CD nozzle here. If you see this picture means here diffuser section is divided into two. The first one is supersonic compression section or supersonic diffuser. The next one is subsonic compression section or subsonic diffuser. In this supersonic diffuser section, we have the spike. Are you able to see this one? Due to high supersonic flow, okay, this spike will form oblique shock. Okay, after the shock, the flow pressure increases and velocity decreases. Okay, from supersonic region, the flow will convert it into subsonic region after that shock. Okay, the next section is the subsonic diffuser. Okay, here the compression takes place due to the increase in area of the spike. Due to an increase in area, the flow will compressed. Then again the pressure will be increased, velocity will be decreased. The next section is the combustion chamber. Here we have flame holders and fuel injectors. The log section is the nozzle. If we consider the components of nozzle, it consists of diffuser as we discussed. The first one is supersonic diffuser and the subsonic diffuser. The next one is the combustion chamber or combustor. The last one is convergent divergent nozzle. Okay. If you come into the working of ramjet, okay, if you see this one means the flow entering the ramjet. Okay, here in this spike, oblique shock will form, which will reduce the flow speed. Okay, and if you see here means here we have more area and the flow enters into it, the area is keep on decreasing. Okay, this is subsonic diffuser section. The area is keep on decreasing means the flow will be compressed, pressure will increase and the velocity will decrease. This is the working of subsonic and supersonic diffuser. In this picture, if you see this means the front section is a turbojet engine. Okay. After that, we have a ramjet engine as an afterburner. If you see this, the means the front section we have a cone. After that, compressor, and then combustion chamber, and then turbine. After that, we have a cone. Okay. These parts are moving parts. Okay, which are all sensitive to the temperature. That means very high temperature. So that's why we are having afterburner after the turbine section. Okay, here we can spray the fuel and burn it even to very high temperature. The function of supersonic and subsonic diffuser is to convert kinetic energy of entering air into pressure energy. This transformation is called ram effect and the pressure rise is called ram pressure because it is obtained without any moving parts. The combustion chamber burns the fuel at subsonic speed probably between zero point 0.2 to 0.3 Mach. And the temperature of the combustion chamber is between 3000 Fahrenheit to 3500 Fahrenheit. The engine works on the principle of Brayton cycle in an ideal manner. The air from the atmosphere enters into the engine at very high speed and its velocity reduced and static velocity increased by diffusers. The high pressure airflow into the combustion chamber in which the fuel is injected by injectors and the air-fuel mixture ignites. The highly heated product of combustion gases are allowed to expand in the nozzle section, where the pressure energy of the gas is converted into kinetic energy. The advantages of ramjet engine are: the engine is very simple and it does not contain any moving parts. So it is comparatively very much light in weight when compared to other engines, that means jet engines. So it is very low in cost, okay, due to its lightweight, but the thrust level is more high, so it has very high thrust to weight ratio, okay, and there is no upper limit for flight speed. Disadvantages of ramjet engine are: the takeoff thrust is zero. It requires an external launching device because of it doesn't contain any moving parts. The combustion chamber requires a flame holder to stabilize the flame at that temperature. The next one is, it is very difficult to design the diffuser which will give good pressure recovery at this range because it doesn't contain any moving parts. Okay, if it contains compressor means it will operate on all the operating conditions. Okay, at high temperature the efficiency may reduce due to dissociation of combustion product. Applications: it is widely used in high-speed aircrafts and missiles due to its high thrust and high operational speeds. The ramjet are used in target missiles and weapons. This picture explains that if a ramjet is used as an afterburner means it will be present behind the turbojet engine. If you have a turbojet engine here means the ramjet will be present behind it as an afterburner. Construction will be like this. Next one, if an ramjet is act as an engine, okay, for some missiles, that means some air to air or air to surface missiles, okay, it will be act as an missile. Then it will be like this. Okay, thank you.